Consider the following 7 data points. With these points, we are going to find the mean, median, 25th percentile, 75th percentile, minimum, maximum, range, and mode. To find the mean, we start by adding all of our data points together. When I add those together, I get 1,109, and I divide by, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 data points. So 1,109 divided by 7 gives me 158.43. I rounded to the nearest hundredth. Make sure that you pay attention to rounding rules and you round accordingly. But for this effect, we're not working on rounding, we're working on finding the mean, which is why I kind of disregard that. So, moving on to the median, 25th and 75th percentile. The median is the number in the middle. So I use what I call the slash method. And that is, when the numbers are in order least to greatest, you'll notice from the beginning, these numbers are not in order least to greatest. They're just kind of sporadically written. But when you get to the second page, our numbers are in order least to greatest. And that is always needs to be true when you're finding the median. So once they're in order least to greatest, I can take the smallest and the largest and cut them out. Then I go the next largest and smallest and continue on until I get to the middle. 158 is directly in the middle. I slash through it, and that is my median. Now, because I slashed through 158, it is no longer part of the playground when finding the 25th and 75th percentile. So the median is the 50th percentile. And you can think of 0 is over here and 100 is over here. Excuse me. So the 25th percentile is going to be the halfway point between 0 and 50, which means I need to find the median again of just these front numbers. So when I find the median of those 3, again, slash method, take the smallest and the largest, I end up with 149. So my 25th percentile is 149. I do the same thing in terms of the 75th percentile, in that 75 is the midway point, halfway point between 50 and 100. So I use my slash method, small, large, to say, okay, 170 is my 75th percentile. You will notice between all of my vertical lines, one number, one number, one number, one number. Between the 25th, 50th, 75th, all sides should have the same equal number of numbers. Always, always. All right, now we're going to find the last 4 pieces, and these are easier to find if you have your numbers in order least to greatest. So I have them in order, all 7 of them, and I want to find the minimum. So the minimum is my smallest number, 146. Maximum is my biggest number, 171. The range is the difference between your max and your min. So 171, right, my maximum, minus my minimum of 146, and I have a range of 25. Now the mode is the number that appears most often. And as you look through your numbers, 146 is there once, one. All of my numbers are there the same number of times, and therefore there is no mode. Or I think you might put NA, right? Not applicable, because all of the numbers are there an equal amount of times, and therefore we do not have a mode.